Right now you are on the GoPro. I figured this is a long overdue video. A lot of you guys have been pretty much asking for this video to make a POV driving video of the STI. We've done quite a mods on this thing, you know, like the downpipe, intake, new blow-off valve, and also in the last video, a brand new exhaust from AeroflowDynamics. It's a titanium one. It looks like freaking crazy. It's like crazy blue titanium. It sounds really good. That's mainly why I wanted to make this POV video, is just to kind of like show you guys what this car sounds like and what it looks like behind the wheel driving the STI. I see it in the comments a lot, you know, like more POV driving is a vibe, this and that. So we definitely have to deliver today with that. A quick little overview of the car before we start. I'll go ahead and pop the hood. So it's gonna be hard to see, but down there is a Grimmspeed catted downpipe. We got the Cobb AOS separator, the Cobb intake, the SF intake. Pretty recently, we got the HKS blow-off valve. Honestly, the best investment I've ever done with this car. It literally makes driving the car like 100 times better. The car is tuned by Boosted Performance. As you can see, we have the Cobb Accessport. And this car feels nice. It's literally the daily driver and it picks up when you want to. This car is so fun to drive, especially all the turbo noises and everything. You guys will see soon. Other than that, you know, the car is bagged. We are waiting for some wheels very soon. Before we leave, I'm actually gonna probably take a couple videos for Instagram. That's usually what I like to do. I like posting up in just like random spots and just getting some video on my iPhone, you know, throw some music over it for Instagram, because I feel like it's definitely a vibe. I love doing this. So this is kind of like behind the scenes of me getting some Instagram content for you guys. Let's do that. I want to get a front shot and then a back. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more like POV stuff, kind of like this, how I'm doing behind the scenes of, you know, getting like Instagram content and stuff. It's actually kind of fun because it's like I can just kind of like be myself. Not that I'm not being myself, but this is just like stuff that I usually don't film, like getting Instagram content. But it's cool just having you guys, you know, on my hat right here and just getting a POV, you know, behind the scenes right here. I'll probably get a side shot maybe while we're at it. I actually get this question a lot too, is you know, like what camera do I use for Instagram? And honestly, it's just my iPhone 15, guys. My 15 Pro Max. That's all I use for Instagram. Simple, basic. I shoot in 1080p, 60 frames. Not sure if that's the right way, but that's what I've been doing, and I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's seat. Yeah, excuse the loud compressors. I guess that just reminded me. I'll go ahead and air up. Bags are always a move. Coils are cool, but I don't know, man. Just being able to air out and stuff, it's different. Last time I did a POV driving video, I think it was with the FRS. We did like a little food review. I remember we went to like Jack the Box. It was super random, but I might do that today. I'm really craving a Shamrock Shake. I know those just came out recently. Shamrock Shakes are fire. I love them. I still get freaking embarrassed having a GoPro on my head. Guys, you can't tell me. That sound is literally so addicting. The car feels so good now being like pro tuned and stuff. It just feels like so much quicker. If I can explain it like a stock WRX or STI, if you can picture like the power curve, I feel like stock, it's like right when you step on it, it's like all the way up here, like the torque, and then as you're going, it's just like dropping. Like it just doesn't feel like it's picking up. But when you get it pro tuned, hold on, I gotta roll my window up. There's people coming right here. I still, guys, trust me, I still feel embarrassed like filming in public. But yeah, anyways, with the pro tune, it's like, imagine the power being like down here. When you're stepping on it, it just gradually picks up. So it literally feels like how a turbo should feel. Like it just pulls you back in your seat. And compared to like stock, it's like the power starts from up here, like that instant torque, but then it just kind of dies down. Dude, the car feels nice now, and it actually feels like the car has a turbo. Should get some good pops. Oh man. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. How does this car sound? It's literally so addicting. I'll be going through so much gas because like to make that blow off noise, you have to like step on it, you know? So I'll be going through so much gas. It's so bad, but it's so worth it. Oh, 86, bro. There's a lot of second gen like 86s and BRZs now. It's good to see. It's nice to see those cars being like, you know, pushed out and out now. If you guys know, then you know. but big things are coming for my 2nd gen BRZ. I'll probably reveal it soon, probably in the next upcoming videos, but I'm saying big things, guys. I don't think you guys are ready. I gotta pass this truck though. Oh my gosh. Now we're about to turn into some little twisty roads. Hopefully this truck doesn't turn with me. Oh, we're good. Oh, that's a little C8. Oh, I'm scraping. What the heck? I have my windows open. Oh, got you guys on my hat. Got a little C8 behind me. Oh shoot, is that a cop? Oh my gosh, I thought that was a cop behind him. It was like a black Ford Explorer. While we're waiting here, guys, rate the new fitted red SD hat. As you guys can tell, I love fitted hats. I literally wear them all the time. It's like we got a open road ahead of us now that nobody's in front of us. Had a stance on the STI, so I couldn't really do this. Dude, I'm rubbing so bad right now. I should actually check if everything is good. I don't want to mess up this new exhaust. Tire. Alright, I think we're good. What I should do is raise it. Yeah, I never really pushed this car honestly like that, because I usually always have had stretch tires on it. You know, like it's always kind of sketch driving your car like that with stretch tires. Now that we're on stocks, we can have a little bit of fun. Pops. Jeez, it's so loud. I hope you guys can hear it too, like the car. I know the GoPro quality isn't that great. Damn, my intake is going crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, those people are definitely pissed. Alright, we gotta keep it chill. Oh, these people are looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm sorry. Dude, my car just started popping like crazy. In my area, you definitely get a lot of looks, like a lot of like disappointed faces, like especially with like a loud car. A lot of people will be giving you like nasty looks. Got my guy K24 Austin with his turbo BRZ, or turbo 86, sorry. You guys remember when I made that video on his car? Probably my favorite 86 out there right now. Crazy. Guys, 563 horsepower and an 86. It's insane. Love that car so much. Definitely got to make my way to Arizona again. That was such a vibe. Turn green. Let's go right. That's another reason why I haven't done a lot of POV driving in this car, is because this car has never really been like that loud. So I just don't know if you guys can hear it. All these guys playing golf, peace and quiet. All the birds flew. Damn, all those ducks in that pond just like flew away. Second gear though in this car, so nice. I literally just posted this Instagram picture yesterday. It was such a vibe. FRS and the BRZ. Let me know if we should do more POV driving with these cars, and which car you guys want to see. You guys want me to do another one in the supercharged FRS or the second gen BRZ? Since I'm on Instagram, I guess now's the perfect time to show you guys. But I've been doing it all over Instagram, but I don't think I've showed you guys yet on YouTube. Look at the new design for the STI. Not too long ago, we did the drop of the FRS. So we did like the skateboard decks, you know, the t-shirts of the FRS and stuff. You guys have been tagging me on Instagram, which I love. Honestly, I appreciate it so much. But yeah, this is gonna be the one for the STI. As you can see, I blocked out the wheels because I haven't revealed the new wheels yet of the STI, but pretty much the same design as the FRS, just with the STI this time. We got the full mod list and everything, so this is coming very soon. I want to say in about a couple weeks we're going to be dropping these. I'm very, very excited. We're going to be doing skateboard decks as well as some t-shirts just like the FRS. They literally sold out. Look at the skate decks, I kid you not, sold out in less than a minute, which is absolutely crazy. Like, I'm still mind blown to this day, because that's insane. Like, you guys have never sold out like that in less than a minute. If you guys don't want to miss out, be sure to set those reminders. Once I do a post on Instagram, be sure to hit that reminder button, because guys, like I said, less than a minute they were gone. And to whoever wants, you know, one of those decks, I want you guys to have it in your hands. So hit those reminders once I post those on Instagram. But yeah, I'm super excited for those. I'll update you guys as the days go on. Back again to McDonald's, my #1 weakness. That place is so good. I could literally have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if I really wanted to. All right, you guys are taking too long. I was not even close. We were like way back there. You have no reason to honk. Ooh, I'm excited for my Shamrock Shake. Damn, it's been like a year since I had one, literally. It's like a once in a year thing that they do it. I feel like it's just big vibes today. Just chilling. Like, nothing too crazy. You know, this video is just like casually just hanging out with me. Nothing crazy, no, not installing anything. Literally, like, this is what I do day to day. So it's like, it's kind of cool that you guys get to see just like simple me, you know what I mean? Just driving around casually, because this is reality, guys. Like, just driving the STI, you know? I'll be driving like this too. Like, I'm not even kidding. Ever since I put that blow off valve on, I just constantly make that thing go off because it's just so addicting. I'm glad you guys like these types of videos, and hey, if you guys want to see more than welcome to make more, because it's literally like super easy. All I gotta do is put the GoPro on and just start driving. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing those clips that I got. So this is how I make my stories. I don't use like an outside app on my phone. I literally just use the Reels thing. Oh shoot, it's my turn already. Can I just get 1 spicy McChicken? Okay. And then 1 Shamrock Shake. We'll do a small. Okay. Can I get no whipped cream with that, please?
Just have it at the first window.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm taking my GoPro off. I don't have enough balls to keep it on when I'm paying. Well, we got our McDonald's. We got our best shake in the world, the Shamrock Shake. Guys, it's honestly hit or miss. Like, a lot of people don't like mint stuff, like mint flavored ice cream. I love it. It's so good. But yeah, as you can see, the quality is better because I'm actually on my camera right now. My GoPro actually just died. But yeah, this is my setup. It's a GoPro Hero 9, forgot. Hero 9 GoPro, this is what I use for all the POV stuff. And this is like a little hat clip. Clip it onto my brim, or put my hat forward, clip it on my brim, just like so. There you go. Yeah, anyways, this is what I do for like my stories on Instagram. So I imported all my clips into the Reels editor. I usually pick a song first so I can kind of sync it to the song. Honestly, like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I put like a handful of songs. I usually do like a song that's either stuck in my head or a song that I've been playing in my car. This song has been stuck in my head. Some YG. We'll pause it there, cut it so it syncs with the song. Pause it there, sync it. That's a little off, actually. That should be good. I like replay it so many times just so I can like know that I like it. Hey, that's fire. Literally takes like a minute. So I just have it there and I save it. But with Instagram, when you save it to your camera roll, it doesn't add the audio. So it's gonna be a clip with no music. Go to the story tab, click on the video I just saved, go back to music, go to the same song, and it should be synced. Fire! And that's it. There you go. Test out the Shamrock Shake. Shouldn't be getting McDonald's again, but honestly, I did it for this video. Cheers, Shamrock Shake. If you guys haven't tried it, So good. If you guys haven't tried it, definitely gotta try it. Got our spicy McChicken. McDonald's, if you're watching this video, I will literally put a livery of McDonald's on my car for a lifetime supply of McDonald's. Or Chick-fil-A, hit me up.